Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Decorate for Hanukkah video. I'm so excited to show you guys some new beautiful home decor items I have for Hanukkah and to just get my house all ready for the holiday. Thanksgiving just ended, which means it's finally time to get full on Hanukkah mode. So I wanted to bring you guys along and show you how I'm decorating my home this year. Like I mentioned, there's a bunch of new items, so I will link everything I can below. Some of these items have been kindly sent by some wonderful companies and it just makes me so excited that there are some beautiful home decor and Judaica items out there that just did not exist 10 years ago. So anything that I'm showing you guys, I truly love and I'm truly so excited to have up in my home to celebrate the holiday. So let's jump in. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any videos. Give this one a big thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of my day-to-day Jewish mom life. So every year, the first thing that I do to decorate for Hanukkah is put all the Hanukkah decorations I have accumulated out on my dining room table to kind of assess them, see what I got going on, so I'll show you guys that right now. So here is everything that I have. I am going to do a DIY Hanukkah decoration video coming up really soon, so look out for that video coming up. So I wanted to start off by showing you guys these beautiful items that were gifted to me by Peace, Love, and Light Shop. You can go to their website, I'll link it down below to get all of this stuff and so much more, but they have the most beautiful high quality items. So I don't know if you guys can see this banner, but look how the designs are painted on with the glitter, and it's a really thick, nice material. Then they have these Dreidels, which have all been painted silver, so you can use them creatively to decorate all kinds of different things in your home. But I have two beautiful, nice packs of those Dreidels, and then these Jewish star little candle lights. Right now I just have Dreidels in them, but you can put little tea lights in them or just keep them empty. So I know those will look so beautiful. And then this big Happy Hanukkah sign, I'm so excited about this one. Again, it's just a really nice quality and it'll definitely be a big statement piece in our home this year. Then moving on to stuff I had last year, I have these two candle holders from Crate and Barrel. And then the rest of this section is all from Target. So sometimes Target will put out the same things year after year. Sometimes they'll change it up. But these are all from the dollar section. So these were like $3. These pillows, this little garland, this sign. This is one of my favorite things that I've seen them have year after year. It's just a little thing of blue lights, but it really brightens up and makes like my mantelpiece look really pretty. So I love those. I might actually look for some more this year. Then this is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think this was a gift to me. But they have all kinds of like signs and napkins and decorative items. These are from, this actually might be Target last year. This is from Party City like 5 or 6 years ago, so I'm sure they don't have this anymore. But back in the day, I found some good stuff at Party City. And then these books are from PJ Library. I'll put a link below. PJ Library gives free Jewish books to children, so you can sign up and get free books. They're awesome. Then this sign is actually from Paper Source. It was like a little kit I had to make. It kind of took a while, but it came out really beautifully. So that was on my mantle last year. This is some more Bed and Bath stuff that was a gift to me. This cute little dreidel spatula thingy and this plate. And then I just have a bunch of like dreidels and gelt that I love to decorate with. And then I also took out all of our Hanukkahs. This one I made last year. These ones have been in our family for a long time. And this I actually bought at Target this year. This was only $5 because we're going to be away at the beginning of the holiday. So I wanted to get something portable to take with us. And this is from Pottery Barn Kids. So this is like a little kids one. And another thing I like to do, oh, this is a little collar for the dogs, but I like to print out old pictures from Hanukkah in previous years and put those up around the house as well. So that's my collection of stuff I have. I also have a few items that I know are being sent my way, so I'm going to update as I go when things come in the next few days. And then this is a pile of presents that I've wrapped. If you watched my What I Got My Kids for Hanukkah video, then you'll know what's in all of these. But I just wrapped them up because I thought they'd be really cute decor items for the home. Okay, so that's my collection of Hanukkah items. I also have a few more things that I know are being sent to me in the mail like today or tomorrow. So I might film this video over multiple days just to put those last finishing touches on for a few things I'm waiting on. But that's the bulk of it, so let's get started. So the first place I like to decorate in my home is always my fireplace mantle. I like to pick out my favorite decorations for this spot in the house because it's really the center of our home. We have like an open plan living room, so this is really the highlight. So of course I chose my Peace, Love, and Light Shop Happy Hanukkah sign, our family Hanukkah, this beautiful decorative banner, and the star little tea lights. And I'll put in a shot of how it looks at night all lit up as well with some little blue lights. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. Next, I'm moving on to our buffet, which is what you see right as you come into the house. And I thought it'd be nice to just stack the presents here. Obviously, Hanukkah's not all about the presents, but I like how this looks, and the colors as well, I think work really well in this spot. The next thing I'm going to do in this spot is just change up the picture I have in that frame. This is a Michael Aram picture frame we got for our wedding. I'm just going to put in a picture from Hanukkah last year, which was Max next to his little Hanukkah. But I love using photos from previous year's holidays as decorations. Next, I'm going to take some of those beautiful silver dreidels from Peace, Love, and Light Shop, as well as some Hanukkah gelt, and fill this candy dish with it. I think this will look really beautiful again with the colors. I think it's elegant and simple, but still fun, and anyone who comes over can have some candy. Next, I'm moving on to my letter board. I use this for every holiday, and I always like to think of something creative to say. So if you're paying attention to the letters here, the first thing I started doing was creating the words Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, and then I thought maybe I'd do Hanukkah, oi Hanukkah. Then I didn't like that, and I decided to do latkes and donuts and light. But then my husband came in and he was like, and light? and so we had a little brainstorm of what I should put there instead, and I'll show you guys what I ended up with. And then I just took this Hanukkah from Target, added some white candles, and placed it on the other end of the buffet. And then as a finishing touch, I added this garland that I got from Rin and Ruckus. This is one of the things that came the next day after I was filming this. It's so beautiful. I think it's the perfect little touch here. The little pom-pom things are made out of felt. They're really pretty and delicate. I just think it adds the perfect little touch of whimsy to this space. And did you guys catch what I had on the sign? It was latkes and donuts and dreidels. So I think that works better. So this is the final buffet look with all the decorations on. I'm really happy how this turned out. Again, I always go for like a simple classic look. I try to use simple colors, always like blue, gold, and silver. And yeah, really happy with how that turned out. Okay, next I'm moving on to our little entertainment unit underneath the TV in our living room. I was playing around with our last year's Hanukkah card, but I never really found a great spot for it. So it just has our menorah and a dreidel by the artist Gary Rosenthal. His stuff has a really distinct look. I'll put some links below if you want to buy something similar. And then for the little kids table that we have in our house for like coloring and stuff, I just put this little wooden Hanukkah that we got from Pottery Barn Kids when Max was born, and some of our favorite Hanukkah books, most of which are from PJ Library, which gives free books to Jewish kids. So I'll put a link down below for them as well. It's awesome. If you have kids, definitely check them out. And then I'm adding some Hanukkah pillows to our couch. These ones I just got from Target. They were like $3 each, so just something small for the couch. And then on our dining room table, I keep it really simple because I've got little kids with little hands grabbing, so I didn't want to put too much on there or make it too fancy or delicate. So I just use a little dessert tray, put some gelt, and again the dreidels from Peace, Love, and Light Shop on there, and a few other dreidels, and then just a candle and this little plant. Of course, when we're hosting, I'll do more for the dining room table, but just for every day during like the weeks leading up to Hanukkah, that's perfect. Okay, then the other item that just arrived is this beautiful tea towel. This is from the brand Shayna Kolwas. I'm not exactly sure how to say that, but she's on Instagram and Etsy. And what she does is she hand paints and designs these recipes and then puts them on towels. So you can print them. So she prints them on these tea towels. I think she also prints them on like poster that you can hang up. And if you want a really special treat for someone in your life, a really special gift, what she'll actually actually design and make one out of like a special family recipe. So she has like already made design ones like this latke one. She has matzo balls and that kind of stuff. And then if you have a personal family recipe, she can do that as well. But yeah, this is so cute. So I'm gonna hang this up on our oven, I think, in the kitchen, which I won't show you too much of because it's a mess here right now. We are just post Thanksgiving and Shabbat prep, so my kitchen is in no mood to be seen, but this tea towel is gorgeous. So yeah, look how lovely that is. So beautiful. Okay, then the last spot that I decorated is just our bed in our master bedroom, mostly because I film YouTube videos here, like my gift guides and stuff like that, so I wanted a little Hanukkah backdrop, but I actually love it. I've never decorated our room before for Hanukkah or like our bed like this, and I really love it. We also took Hanukkah pictures like in our Hanukkah PJs here, and it was just really cute. So yeah, I highly recommend this. This is a little banner from Target 2-3 years ago, but yeah, I thought it looked really cute. By the way, I think this would be a really cute idea for a kid's room. My kids are too little to have this kind of decor alone, unsupervised, but for older kids, I think it'd be really cute. So that's my home all decorated for Hanukkah. I hope you guys like this video. I am going to do a DIY Hanukkah decoration video coming up really soon because I always get comments when I post these that my Target has none of that stuff, or I live in this part of the world and there's no Hanukkah decorations. So I really wanted to make a video for all of you guys that can't just easily buy these kind of decorations, and I know that some of them can be expensive as well. So I wanted to show you guys some DIY options, so look out for that video coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching this one. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!